Hi Adiba, what are you doing?
I'm practicing metronome because the next year I have an exam on this.
Oh, this seems really hard. Okay, should I teach you?
Yeah.
Okay. The definition of material noun is the names of an liquid things, solid objects, and substances are called material noun. The ring is made of gold. In this sentence, gold is material noun.
Why the gold is material noun?
Because it's a liquid substance. Okay, we drank a glass of water. In this sentence, water is material noun. The statue is carved from marble. In this sentence, marble. Okay, she wore a necklace of silver. In this sentence, silver. The table is made of wood. In this sentence, wood is material noun. Okay, let's test you. Oh, he put some milk into the cup, which is the material noun in this sentence.
In this sentence, milk is material noun.
Okay, the box contains cotton clothes. In this sentence, which one is material noun?
Cotton.
Yeah. The house has a roof made of tiles. In this sentence, which one is material noun?
I think I don't know this.
Yeah, this seems pretty hard. Okay, let me tell you. This will be the tiles. Okay?
Yeah.
They built a bridge using steel. In this sentence, which one is the material noun?
I think it will be steel.
Yeah. The artist painted with oil colors. In this sentence, which one is material noun?
Oil.
Oh, that seems really easy. Okay, you did a really good job. I think you'll do your best in your exam. See you soon. Goodbye.
Goodbye.